Here's an example of how Always Think Baseball flashcard board game can prepare your players to be in the right place and make the right plays to prevent the inevitable Little League track meet. So here's our situation. No outs, runner on first. No outs, runner on first. We position our base runners. So I'm going to call that a bunt situation. I'm going to bring my infield in and put my middle infield at double play depth. The hitting card and the position card are played simultaneously. We have a hard ground ball far to my right. Position is the catcher. So there's a bunt up the first base line in the catcher's range, but farther away from the plate. First baseman, pitcher, all convenient on the ball. Second baseman running over to cover first. Base runners running, batter running. Fielding and throwing card by the catcher. Fielded cleanly, but an overthrow. Catcher feels rushed, it's way up the line, it's inside. Second baseman's covering the bag. Uh-oh, no backup by the right fielder, so the ball makes it all the way to the wall in right field. Overthrows guarantee you the advancing base. Second base was not occupied yet, so he gets second. As a base runner, I'm playing to take the extra base card, and I'm going to third. And as a batter, I'm going to second. It was overthrown. The second baseman runs out for a cutoff. First baseman retreats back. He's trailing the runner. Third baseman retreated back to cover third. Here's the throw to the relay man. Accurate throw. Accurate throw to the relay. Accurate throws do not require playing a fielding card unless it's a non-force play that requires a tag. There's no tag on the relay, so accurate throw to the relay. The relay throw going to third. Underthrow. Underthrow, so it's going to hop. It's going to hop the third baseman. The fielding card by the third baseman is missed. Uh-oh, another no backup. Once the ball was overthrown, the pitcher should have been coming to back up third, and the left fielder should have been coming up from the beginning to either back up to throw at second or to back up to throw at third, depending on how the play went. So now there was no backup, so the ball's to the fence. Again, awarded an extra base. That's a run. And the batter advances to third. The third baseman goes to pick up the ball. I can choose to try to go home on the play, or with no outs, hold my base. Since the pass ball went right up against the foul territory fence, I'm going to decide to leave my runner, my batter, on third. So there you have an example of how important it is for outfielders to be in the right position for something as simple as a bunt in the infield and prevent the Little League inevitable track meet that sometimes can be an in-the-park home run. AlwaysThinkBaseball.com, Always Think Baseball flashcard, board game, the fun way to improve your players' confidence.